It is time for a message from the future. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to the channel. And in today's video we are going to talk about the 1UP, and this is the mini Retropi arcade. So they make the big brother with SIG button, analog stick, everything, and they also got this tiny mini version. And I really love what they did with it. It's 4-button, so I think it got a support for many games, but still I personally prefer this 6-button version. And what you can see here is, yeah, it's just running on a Raspberry Pi 3B and the 3B Plus. So the size exactly like the little PCB board from the Raspberry Pi. Really awesome. The only downside, what you already can see here, the thing costs 200, almost, let's say 210 euro. So that's what, around $240 or something like that. Pretty damn expensive. It's looking like a little bit basics, like a transparent casing, nothing special. It's got an HDMI output, so you can use it on your television. That is really awesome. Yeah, it's cool. Oh, here we have the measurements, so you can see how big it is. Not big. So that is really cool. We have different versions, and this is something I'm going to talk about in the next part of the video. And what you can see here, and the video is actually working. I hope it's loading up. And it's just in Raspberry Pi. This is what we are going to get. It's running on what you want to install it. The video is not loading. What you can see here, it's just loading Raspberry Pi. So we got a support for all the old retro games. Let's just think about an NES, Super Nintendo, Mega Drive, N64, name it, it's supported. So that's really cool about the Raspberry Pi, and of course arcade. So let's talk about the little upgrade. They also did a full upgrade of the Iron Boy. Really awesome. And so you have this more, I think this gives you this system a little bit more quality feeling. I think it's really cool. I really love this one. But yeah, as you can see here, we got another price again for it. It's a little bit weird because if you scroll back and watch this price, it's a little bit price difference, a little one. So personally, I don't know what to think. This one looks really cool, but the transparent version, it's cool. It's nothing wrong with it, but I personally pay around 100 euro for it. So yeah, I want to thank you for watching. Let me know what you think of this. Would you buying something like this, or if it's 100 euro or $100, what? Let me know. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell because you get notified for upcoming videos, and see you next time. Bye bye.